Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're out at Glamis, California. So we're out at the Imperial sand dunes. So I got the Can-Am out here. It's a 2021 Can-Am X3 Max Turbo RR, and it's the RS model, 72-inch wide. Got my tow rig, Ram 2500. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever been to Glamis. Should be pretty fun. The dunes look great today, and it's getting quite hot. It's about 80 degrees, maybe higher. I don't really know where to go. Kind of just figure it out. What do you think?
A little more technical.
Yeah, definitely more technical than the other dunes we've been to. You got to be careful because there's a lot more ridges here than, what did we go? Dumont?
Yep.
Dumont was more like flat hills, and this is more like actual ridges and bowls everywhere.
Yep. Yep. Sand ridge.
Yeah. Alright, I'm standing on a sand dune. I don't know where we're at. We're pretty close to Oldsmobile Hill, somewhere over here. We're gonna go check that out. But we're just chilling up on this ridge here. Can-Am. Steep, huh?
Yep.
They're right there. See everyone?
Yep.
That's where we're going.
Okay. People just drive to that up?
Yeah.
Climb it?
Yep. This is Oldsmobile Hill, they call it. There's some rails going up.
Oh, just lays into it. So you can see the hill. There's a lot of ridges, so everyone's digging in with their paddles.
Yeah.
Power on that thing, huh?
Not too bad. Those whips are huge though.
Yep.
So.
It's pretty steep though.
Yeah.
When you're looking down.
Yeah, definitely.
But going up, it doesn't feel that way.
there.
Yeah.
See that? I think the main appeal here is that you can come out so many times. You don't have to be in the same, you don't have to ride in the same spot every time.
Yeah.
Like there's so much space to ride. You can see something different every time. I want to go to that ridge there and see this over here. Yeah. They're trying to use sand to get that.
Oh, yeah. Actually a really good idea. Just don't get too close. Oh, yeah. Oh, but yeah, that's awesome. Keep doing it. Keep her in. Still burning pretty good though. Oh, burnt rubber. What do you think that was? It looks like a Polaris.
Probably.
An older Polaris.
Yeah.
Just by the way the cage is.
Yeah. Looking for this spot as well. Let's go take a look really quick.
You want to climb that one?
Maybe. I can't remember what this one's called, but this was one of the other hot spots. Everyone it goes up the hill and then they jump off those ridges right there.
Oh yeah.
We're back at the trailhead now. We were out for about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours in my tow rig. And yeah, Glamis is super fun. We're at the Gecko Road campground here, so that's where we staged, and we headed down the Sand Highway, kind of a trail that goes down that way to the Highway 78. And we went over on Highway 78 and then we went down into the dunes. And we found Oldsmobile Hill, and we found, I can't remember the other name of the other place we found, but I'll post it here. But yeah, it was fun. I'd say these dunes are a little bit more technical than the dunes I've experienced so far. I've been to Sand Hollow in St. George and Coral Pink in Kanab, and then Dumont Dunes as well. There's a lot of bowls and a lot of sharp ridges, so you have to be careful when you transition between bowls. But yeah, it's a good learning experience. So this is my first time driving around at Glamis, so we'll probably be back sometime, and you know, now that we have a little bit of knowledge of where to go, it should be even more fun. That's it. Thanks for watching.